Facebook Messenger. We all use it every day to chat, send photos, and share memes. But what if I told you Messenger has hidden features that most people have never even noticed? Let's uncover some of the coolest ones you can try right now. First, let's start with secret conversations. This mode uses end-to-end encryption, meaning no one, not even Facebook, can read your messages. To enable it, open a chat, tap the person's name at the top, and select Go to Secret Conversation. Your messages here are completely private, and you can even set them to self-destruct after a few seconds. Next up, send money instantly. Did you know Messenger lets you send and receive money without leaving the chat? Just tap the plus icon, choose payments, and link your card or PayPal. It's super fast and totally free between friends in supported countries. Number 3. Custom chat emojis and colors. You're not stuck with the standard blue chat bubble. Tap the name of the person or group, then change the theme, emoji, or nickname. You can even give each friend their own vibe, like turning one chat red and another one neon green. Now, here's a fun one: hidden games. Video game. Type add game, or search for games like basketball or soccer inside the chat. Tap the emoji and you can actually play with your friend right inside Messenger. No download needed. Another underrated trick: message reactions and replies. Just hold any message to react with an emoji, or swipe to reply to a specific one. It keeps your chats organized, especially in group conversations. And here's a productivity gem: send files or photos directly from PC. If you're on Messenger Web or the desktop app, you can drag and drop files straight into chat, perfect for work or school. Bonus tip: login alerts. Under your Messenger settings, enable security and login alerts. You'll get a notification anytime someone tries to log in from a new device, an easy way to keep your account safe. So there you have it. Facebook Messenger isn't just for chatting. It's packed with secret tools for privacy, fun, and productivity that most users never touch. Try a few of these today, and you'll see Messenger in a whole new way. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.